In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit journal entries in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever posted a journal entry and then realized something was off, don't worry. QuickBooks Online makes it pretty straightforward to go back and edit that entry as long as you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, and I'll also share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes along the way. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. From there, you'll want to go to the Reports section. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your financial reports, and it's the easiest way to locate existing journal entries, especially if you're not sure when they were created. Once you're in the Reports area, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type the word Journal into that search field. You should see a report simply called Journal appear in the results. Go ahead and select that journal report. This report lists all of the journal entries in your file, organized by date, so it's a great starting point for finding the exact entry you need to change. Next, take a look at the date range for the report, usually shown near the top. By default, it might be set to something like this month or this year. If you don't see your journal entry, adjust that date range to match the period when the entry was originally posted. You can change it to a custom range if you know the specific dates, or broaden it if you're not entirely sure. Once you've updated the dates, refresh or run the report again so it displays the correct list of entries. Now, scroll through the journal report until you find the specific journal entry you want to edit. When you see it, click directly on that journal entry. This will open up the full details of the transaction so you can review the accounts, debits, credits, and any memo or description attached to it. With the journal entry open, look for the Edit button, usually located near the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your layout. Click Edit, and the fields on the journal entry will become editable. From here, you can adjust the accounts, amounts, dates, or descriptions as needed. Just be careful with your changes, since edits can affect your financial reports. When you're finished, save the entry, and your updates will be applied.